Alright, how's everybody doing this evening? Back again with another unboxing and first impressions for you guys and gals. And y'all can see it on the table. What I have for y'all this evening is another unboxing and first impressions of another pair of truly wireless earbuds. In particular, this is my unboxing and first impressions of the MuGo truly wireless earbuds. Now, before we get into the unboxing and first impressions, I just wanted to highlight some features for y'all that really caught my eye when I was looking at these and was ultimately the deciding factor as to why I decided to pick them up. So let's go through these features real quick, and they got me a little hype. So these bad boys right here supposedly have a charging case that has a 3500 milliamp hour battery with a built-in flashlight. They support Bluetooth 5.0, okay, really good stuff there. They supposedly have a 20-meter range. Ooh, I'm dying to put that to the test. They also support IPX7, sweat and water resistance, really good stuff there. And the most important thing, aside from the price, is that you supposedly can use them in stereo mode or mono mode or independent mode. So you can use both earbuds together, or you could use one earbud independently from the other. So really good stuff there as well. And this was all for a really great price of $25 or $24.99. So if this is as good as how it sounds on paper, this is a really good deal in terms of truly wireless earbuds. But we gotta put it through the test in order to find out. And before we can put it to the test, we gotta put it through the unboxing and first impressions. So let's get into this video. And oh, did I forget to mention it also has a percentage LED readout and USB Type-C and micro USB and USB-A. It's crazy, y'all. Wow. I couldn't believe it. And then I saw that price. I'm like, nah. It can't really be that good for that price. But we're going to find out because I pulled the trigger on it. We picked it up. It's in here. Let's unbox it. Let's get into these first impressions. Let's go. Okay, I'm a little too hyped right now. I need to calm down. Woo-sa. Alright. Anyways, that goes over the features as to why these caught my eye. Let's get into this unboxing and first impressions now. Let's go. Now, this was another Amazon pickup, and y'all already know I cut all the tapes and seals ahead of hand. So let's get into this. Now, starting off, let's talk about the overall presentation and the packaging. Now, I have to say, MuGo, you guys have done a great job. Now, I know I'm butchering that name. M-U-G-O, MuGo, yeah, I think it's MuGo. You guys have done a great job in terms of the presentation. So you can see here is the charging case with the earbuds up front in a nice little picture here. And you can see the LED percentage readout and the picture of the buds. And this is the model number right here. So it's the TWS Q10. Alright, and it just says wireless headset. Alright, then down here we got the model number again. And you can see it says truly wireless stereo headset. Okay, flip it on this side, we got the barcode information right there. Flipping it over here, we got the model number one more time. If you guys don't know what the model number is for this bad boy, y'all are not paying attention. And also you got a color indicator, so we did get the black version. I'm not entirely sure how many different colors this bad boy comes in, but I'll let y'all know in the full review. And it's clean on this side. Okay, flipping it to the back, we have some more information here. So again, we got the model number. These bad boys support Bluetooth 5.0. Okay, and they got a range of 20 meters. Okay, 20 meters. I think that's like what, 60 feet, 50 feet. Hold on. Oh, I don't want to trigger all my phones. I think it's like 60 feet, something like that. Comment down below how many feet 20 meters is. Help your boy out. Okay? And then we got some more specifications down here. So they support 5-volt in, and the earbuds themselves are 40 milliamp hours on each earbud. So that's nice as well. And then we got the same information in a few different languages here. So good stuff there. Alright, so overall I have to say the packaging is really nice. Now let's crack this box here. Okay, cracking the box. Here is the case. Oh, it's in there pretty good. Okay. Yeah, here's the charging case with the earbuds in it, I believe. Yeah, there go the earbuds. Okay, but let's put this to the side for a second and see what else comes in the package. So, removing the divider, which was stuck to the case, what else do we have here? We got your earbud tips, okay, in various different sizes. Now, this does look like a medium and a small, so the largest must be on it already, but you definitely want to pay close attention to this because picking the right size is going to directly influence your experience with the product. So you definitely want to take the time and find the exact size for your ears. This way you have the most enjoyable experience. It helps with the sound quality and the sound isolation. Okay, so you definitely want to take the time to find the best ear tips. Alright, let's rest that down there. Let's take this other divider out. What else we got going on here? We have a micro USB charging cable. Okay, USB-A to micro USB. Okay, kind of sad to see that, but it is what it is. Let's rest this over here. And then we also have a user manual. We're going to come back to this last because I know you guys and gals like to go through the user manual. So we're going to rest this down here and we're going to come back to that last. Nothing else in the box. So let me pack this back up here and rest this off to the side real quick. Okay. Okay. Now, before we take a look at the user manual and I try them on and give you my first impressions, let's quickly go around the case and then take a closer look at the buds. Then I'm going to try them on, give you my first impressions in terms of the overall fit and feel and the comfort, and then we're going to walk through the user manual and wrap this video up. So let's go. Starting off with the case, I do see some protective plastic on it, so let me go ahead and peel that off right now. Okay. Good stuff there. Let me see if there's any more protective plastic on it. Nope. So we got a glossy, fingerprinty cover up top here, surrounded by like a matte, but still fingerprinty material around the sides. Okay. We also have, it looks like, what is that? That looks like USB Type-C right there. Not entirely sure. That does look like USB Type-C though. And then this does look like micro USB. So we have two ends. This looks like USB Type-C. I'll let y'all know in the full review. And then that looks like micro USB, at least to my eye there. Then we have a full-size USB-A port here. And that's really nice to see because this bad boy supposedly has a 3500 milliamp hour battery. So with that size battery, you could charge other products from this case. So really good stuff there. And then it looks like we got like a power button here to flip it on. And then this is how we open up the case. Alright, and then here is the buds themselves. Let's see how easy it is to take out. That came out pretty easily. That wasn't too much of a struggle there. Okay. Alright, let's take the other one out. Alright, so not bad. And then this is what the inside of the case looks like. So you can see we got our contact points for the buds. Oh, and it looks like you got 3 contact points. And then we have our LED percentage readout right there with a right and left charge indicator. So not bad. Okay? Not bad at all. And then here is the flashlight. Okay? So it's got a built-in flashlight on it. Really good stuff. Now what I want to do is I want to try them on real quickly and see how they fit in my ears. Okay, so this looks kind of weird already. I thought the larges would be on here, but these look like the smalls. So it looks like they got like a flat ear tip style to it. But let's try it on nonetheless. Let's check for labels. Okay, it does have labels on it. So this is labeled the left earbud. I don't know how well y'all can see that right there, but that is an L. Okay, and then this one right here must be the right earbud. Okay, yep, it's labeled R right there. Again, I don't know how well y'all can see that, but that is an R right there. So now, let's go ahead and drop them in and see how they fit. Now, I think it goes like this. I think it goes like that. Okay, let's try it on. So this is the right. Ooh, that went in really nice. And let's do the same thing on the left. So I think it goes like, okay, how do I put the right in? Let me do it again. So it goes back like this. Okay. Or like that. My bad. It goes like that. So the right goes in like this. And the left goes in same way on the other side. Oh, wow. Okay. So I got them in my ears now. And it feels really comfortable. Let me shake my head real quick. Let's do a quick shake test. Oh, okay. Yeah, they're definitely not coming out. They did move a little bit, but it's definitely not coming out. Okay, but I do feel like I have to adjust the ear size tips because one of the sides are kind of moving a little bit, even though it's not moving all the way to the point where it comes out. It's staying in my ears, but I like it to be snug. I don't like it to have any movement because if it moves too much, especially when I use these for workouts, it may potentially slide out when I start sweating. So I don't like to have any movement. I like it to be nice and snug in there, but it's staying in my ears nonetheless, and they do feel quite comfortable in my ears as well. So really good stuff there. Let me take a real quick selfie for y'all so y'all can get an idea of what they look like. So let me see. Got the Pixel on deck this evening. Let's go ahead and load it up. Flip to the front facing camera and get a nice side profile for y'all. Okay. Bam. And let's let that process. And bam. Okay. So this is what it looks like in my ears. So not bad at all. Okay. Pretty much it's similar to the Kim Dewey earbuds, but it's a little bit smaller. Okay. So not bad. And it's actually pretty comfortable. I can't complain. Alright, but that's just an overall first look for y'all. Now you're going to get a more in-depth look at how they look, and I'm going to let you know how they feel more in-depth when we do the fit and sound demo. So you'll be able to see how they look better, hopefully, and you'll get an idea of how they sound when we do the fit and sound demo. Alright? So let me pop them out real quick. Ooh, I was talking loud. Sorry, y'all. Hope I wasn't talking too loud. But let me pop them back out. And now, real quickly before we wrap this up, let's go through the user manual real fast. And as I always do, if anything is unclear, I'll put up all the relevant information in post. And we're going to go over all the important things you need to know in the full review. So let's open up this user manual now. And let's briefly breeze through it. So it opens right up. Nice little accordion style to it. So you can see this first page. Just letting you know the model number. Giving you a diagram of the product right there. Good stuff. Everything that comes in the packaging right there. And a nice little layout and indication of what everything does. And a little fitting guide right there. Okay. Then we got the start using steps. Now, I do apologize. This is a nighttime video, so the lighting isn't the best, but I'm going to do my best. So, feel free to pause and read up. So, that's that. Okay. The ways to use it, pairing and factory resetting it right there. Okay. And it does look like it has touch controls on it. Okay. Charging information and other stats. Now, this is kind of small. Yeah, that's pretty small. I'm probably going to have to write that out for y'all so y'all can see it. Okay. Charging information, what the percentage lights mean, all that good stuff there. Right over here. We got some safety information and all that good stuff here. And then we have a little maintenance card right there. So, good stuff. And then on the other side, we just have it. Same thing in a few different languages. So boom, 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 bow, bow, and bow. Okay, so pretty much the same thing, just in 2 different languages. Alright, so let's wrap this back up. So that pretty much briefly goes over the user manual. We could toss this off to the side. And this pretty much does it, guys and gals, for my unboxing and first impressions of the MuGo Truly Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. Alright, so my full review for these should be out in about 2 weeks from the posting of this video, and we're going to go over everything y'all need to know in that full review. Also, be on the lookout for my fit and sound demo, as I've said, alright? So hopefully, if you watch all of my coverage on this, you'll learn everything that you need to know, and then hopefully culminating in the full review, you guys and gals will find out if I think they're worth it, in my opinion, okay? So y'all be on the lookout for all of that extended coverage. And that pretty much does it for this unboxing and first impressions here this evening. Now, if you guys and gals enjoyed this real quick video, or as quick as I can make it, please feel free to help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. And or if you found this video helpful or you liked it in any shape, form, or fashion, you can do the same thing. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, if this video piqued your interest, as always, all the links to where y'all can pick up this product at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright? Good stuff there. This whole video here this evening was recorded using the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second with no external microphone hooked up. And all the stabilization duties are being handled thanks to the Smooth Q gimbal, my ADAI extension pole, and my mini Manfrotto tripod. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, the overall audio quality, and the overall stabilization down below in the comments. As always, your feedback is greatly appreciated. Alright? I hope everyone has a great evening, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. We out of here.